It is a great day. I'm actually had an opportunity to meet one of my fans on YouTube who has been following our surgeries for a long time and asked incredibly intelligent and insightful questions about spine care. Made the decision to come here with his wife from Phoenix to actually get his back fixed the right way. And I'll let him tell you a little bit about it. Do you mind sharing your story about your lower back?
Not at all. I mean, it's a long story, but no, I don't mind. Originally, I'm an Army veteran, originally hurt my back in the Army, continued to herniate and have disc treatments. I had a discectomy in 2008, scar tissue built up after that, then went to spinal stimulator in 2013, went to another spinal stimulator in 2016. I've had every back lower lumbar procedure you could think of. I've had medial branch blocks, I've had an RFA, bilateral RFA, I've had all sorts of treatments.
Did they work?
Epidurals. No, I'm here, right? It was constantly hurting to the point where this last year, since the start of 2023, I was starting to get bad leg weakness, the shooting pains in my lower back. I couldn't walk for more than 50 feet anymore. And I'm like, I just turned 50 last week. This is going to be a problem for a number of years more. So I had to find something that was going to solve the source of the pain and not just treat the symptoms, because there's nothing left to treat the symptoms besides a fusion.
And you were skeptical because
Right.
You've been through so much treatment. None of it really worked, but you found our site.
Right.
You engaged with me many times on the internet while I'm operating.
Right, absolutely. Which made the pre-op appointment go so quick, though, because I'd asked all my questions.
True.
So that helped. It definitely helped.
So what made you decide to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
Just so I can annoy everybody around me again, because I'm no longer going to be in pain. That's a good thing. Like really, I can do things with my family again. So that's
Yes,
good.
you can. So you had your surgery done yesterday, less than 24 hours ago.
Absolutely.
Here you are, pain-free.
Yes.
Did you expect that?
I've seen other testimonials, so I knew it was possible, right? But I'm like, no, there's no way. Oh yeah, pain-free.
Do we have you on morphine and oxycodones and any
No.
pain medications?
You gave me the 9 Robaxin, I took 1, and
Yeah.
that was last night before I went to bed, and no, nothing else.
Robaxin's a muscle relaxer. It lasts 6 hours, so it's already out of your system.
Yeah,
So no pain meds.
No.
You're here walking around, outpatient surgery.
Yes. Yeah.
Done with a little cut on your back. You can actually watch it here. You can see some footage of where we went in with a tiny little incision, brought the endoscope in, we brought the laser in, we cleaned out those tears where the herniation was, where all your inflammation was. You can even see a little bit of pink tissue in there, inflammatory tissue. That's where all the little nerve fibers are that cause so much pain in the back of the disc. We got rid of it all, and that pain is going to be gone permanently.
Well, I'm looking forward to it.
Anything you want to tell your fans out there?
I'm just happy to be, really, I am pain-free. Like, I'm annoying my wife because I have limitations, obviously. I'm not supposed to lift and all that. But I have no pain, so I'm literally bouncing off the walls now, which of course everyone has cautioned me not to do. But really, that's it. Is like, I'm excited. Winter's coming, things to do. I'm not gonna be suffering
Not
as
too
much.
much.
No, but I won't be suffering from the cold anymore. I won't be one of those like, oh, it's gonna be cold outside. I can't move. I'm happy just to think about that, so yeah.
Obviously, you can tell from his energy level, he's not the kind of person to take it easy. So, but I know he's going to follow the instructions. His back will heal beautifully. I do want to point out one last thing. If you go back to the video footage, you can actually see he wrote on his back, like, have a nice day or have a great day.
Yeah, make it a great day, yeah.
Make it a great day with a big smiley face. So he's the first patient that did that, and it really put a smile on all of our faces while we're operating. So thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Really, thank you very
For your
much.
involvement. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Enjoy life.
I'm gonna.
All right. Let's get you guys out of here. You got better things to do.